Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, The Gentle Exhale, Self-Care for Sensitive Givers. I'm Carrie Scharf, and I'm honored to guide you through today's discussion on embracing your unique needs during the winter season. In today's episode, we explore how you can tailor the care you receive this winter, listening inward to determine what truly nourishes you. Let's begin. Winter has a way of asking different things from different people. Some of us want structure, some of us want rest, some of us want to be gently held as we figure out what we actually need. And that's why I created Radiance Ritual, not as one single experience, but as a seasonal retreat offered in different levels of care. Today, I want to walk you through those levels, slowly and simply, so you can listen inward and notice which one feels like a yes for this season of your life. At the heart of Radiance Ritual is a winter workshop, a quiet, nourishing seasonal retreat you can move through at your own pace. It includes cozy lessons on winter skincare, slow living, journaling, tea rituals, plants, reading, and winter baths. A winter radiance journal with guided prompts, a seasonal devotional with gentle scripture and reflection, a collection of winter bath and skincare recipes, and step-by-step rituals to help you create warmth and rhythm during the colder months. This foundation stays the same. What changes is how much guidance and support you receive alongside it. Level 1, Self-Led Winter Workshop. Level 1 is for the woman who loves to explore quietly on her own. You receive the full Radiance Ritual Winter Workshop and all of its resources, and you're free to move through it in whatever way feels most natural to you. There's no personalization, no interaction, no expectations. Just a gentle seasonal companion you can return to whenever you need grounding or warmth. If you enjoy solitude, reflection, and making things your own, this level may feel just right. Level 2, Personal Winter Retreat. Level 2 is for the woman who wants care that feels personally curated. In addition to the full winter workshop, you receive a personal winter ritual plan created specifically for you. You'll share a bit about your skin, your energy, your rhythms, and what you're longing for this season. And I'll thoughtfully weave together a ritual plan that helps you know what to focus on, what to gently set aside, and how to move through winter without overwhelm. You'll also receive a private audio reflection from me, offering encouragement and a soft introduction to your retreat. There are no calls, no back and forth required, just the comfort of knowing someone helped you shape a path that fits you. Level 3, 1 month of quiet care. Level 3 is for the woman who wants to feel gently supported as she settles into her winter rhythm. Along with the workshop and your personalized ritual plan, you receive 1 month of private tech support during office hours. This is for small questions that come up, moments of uncertainty, and gentle reassurance when you need it. It's not coaching. It's not a high-demand container. It's simply knowing that you're not holding everything alone. Still quiet, still spacious, just more held. Choosing your level, there's no better level here, only what feels supportive for you right now. Some winters ask for solitude, some ask for clarity, some ask for companionship. I invite you to notice what your body, your spirit, and your energy are asking for, and to honor that without judgment. Closing invitation, Radiance Ritual isn't about fixing yourself. It's about tending, softening, returning. If winter has felt heavy, rushed, or disconnected, this is an invitation to experience it differently. You can learn more and choose your level of care at the link provided in the show notes. Until next time, be gentle with yourself, and let winter hold you too. This has been another episode of The Gentle Exhale, Self-Care for Sensitive Givers with Carrie Scharf. The main takeaway today is to recognize and honor your unique needs during the winter season, whether that means finding solace in content solitude, engaging in a personally curated retreat, or accepting a gentle, supportive presence along the way. For more details, please check the show notes, and if you'd like to explore further, visit carrieshandmadeessentials.com as mentioned. Stay gentle with yourself and join us again for our next episode on The Gentle Exhale, Self-Care for Sensitive Givers.